Welcome back to the channel. Now, after being sanctioned for statements made on a podcast about the DPP, Vybz Kartel's attorney, Isaac Buchanan, is now having a front row seat to the situation now taking place with the DPP herself. Now, this is a legal firestorm brewing over the Director of Public Prosecution's withdrawal of a case in recent times from a judge who was about to sentence a man who had pled guilty. The article states that the DPP has been chastised by the judge and criticized by several members of the legal profession for her action. They have emphasized that the DPP had the right to appeal rather than to stop proceedings and start afresh before another judge. Vybz Kartel and his attorneys have pointed out that he was never given a fair trial. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Maybe I couldn't hear from L.A. Lewis and what he heard from residents from the community in which authorities said the situation Vybz Kartel is accused of took place. Look and listen.
Courthouse, either he was corrupted or PFR is a duncest judge on the planet. Wrong, am I right, officer?
That sounds like he was paid off.
All right. So, then again now, to add insult to injury now, why would the judge send go down the scene of the crime? Because remember, if me here say some boy shoot one of my squaddy them in our house, and me go find out say the house that the scene I could have 200 years that scene of the crime cannot be demolition, because we have to go get forensic report, get some things for scan blood print. And remember, if them say Kartel and him friend them beat Lizard with a button, that means the blood supposed to spot up all over the place, don't it? All right. Yeah. Remember in a Donnelly case, although Noel them get the coach wash out. Don't win time, although them wash out the coach, my police them still turn on them light and find out Donnelly blood in the coach. Yeah man, there's a special AD light where you can use to confirm. You understand me? All right. Whether or not, so no matter how much them wipe it up, that light still find the blood. Yes. So why now them lit down Kartel house now and now go one piece of stone? What think of this another grung the piece of the day? You understand? So that there, so now that show said Kartel now should be free. Because
yeah, basically.
And then now you don't find nobody. And
no, but the question is why would you announce? Because I don't know if you were listening, it was announced that his trial will begin between February to April, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if that's the case, why is it that you're going to demolish his house? You're going to do all of that to his home. That means there's something that you're hiding, that you want to set back the case.
All right.
You understand me?
Yes.
So what I strongly believe, what I strongly advise you, if you can do some more investigation in terms of the paperwork towards the house.
Yes.
You understand me? Because so from you talk a lot of people here.
Yes.
And things have got, you understand?
Yes.
And if you can present, if there's no paperwork, then no, you need to talk to one of the judges to let them know exactly what's going on, because this needs to be taken up in hand.
Yes.
You have to have some warrant, you have to have some form of paper to say that's signed by a judge to say that you're authorized
to lick down Kartel.
Yeah.
Lick down the seed. I remember, when we the whole on the car, remember we seized the, remember Donnelly case we went in and we seized the truck where them say carry Donnelly coach, and although the man will go about the business, and I think one day we'll probably give him back the truck, because we never give him back the truck because we can't, that is part of the investigation.
Yeah.
So me myself go around and go give him $2,000 to get the interview, plus me give him a little money and say, all right, we're gonna go and hold on the truck. Okay, it was my police forced me to make sure, and then it was another police now who was involved. I don't know, so I don't like to see my police and get locked up. I don't like to see my police in a crime. So I make sure I go compensate the man for say if Noel because Noel is innocent, you know. Noel never killed Donnelly. Noel is just a girl mascot. And Noel, woman and her friend them killed Donnelly. And Noel go try to help her out. And so the biggest girl mascot for all time. I don't like him because of that. So big up Noel people. But Noel never killed Donnelly people. And he wouldn't in the madly in love with Donnelly, but baby mother plus woman. So him take the measurement and say I'm gonna save the baby mother. So I just say go. So but we'll go back to Vybz Kartel case now, my queen. Now everybody's hearing me right now. So and then now, remember now, Lizard is a wanted man. Lizard is a top killer. Sean Storm is just a little DJ. So you feel a little normal DJ named Sean Storm could have go pick up Lizard nearly 200 miles. I remember, you know, Lizard have to pass half a tree. And you know, some police, some half a tree, fully bad, fully guzo. You understand? And Lizard no beat down the door and say, officer, them a try to kill me. And Lizard no start struggling and the people in the traffic, new traffic seat. And then Lizard have to pass Red Hills Road police again and have to pass 3 mile again. Come on, McQueen. Remember, you know, them say Sean Storm go for Lizard, you know. The police them need razor pay. The police them need them overtime money. But everybody's afraid for ask it for the police. And if the police
no, but for and foremost, you know, you see from the first election with such people, not even want to mention names.
Me know because you're afraid, but the Emperor Brave, me mention him with Andrew Wallace and all of them. Yeah.
From day one, you know, me keep saying a chess, I play.
Yes.
You understand him, I play chess.
Yeah.
And you see, me not gonna lie, me not bias. Him go back in him books and him kind of watch and play with him previous leaders for his party, what they have done and the mistake. Yes. And what him have over PNP is togetherness. PNP do not have it.
No, me tell them already. I find a nice punk in a cartel yard though, sir. I go with a pumpkin. Yeah, mama find a pumpkin I go on my dinner table. Yeah.
And if them continue, they're going to give him the upper hand. You understand?
Yes, because togetherness is not there. So I'm going to talk to Mark Goldie, come and tell him something. Unite with Peter Bunting.
Some females on his team.
Lisa, Anna, pretty and sexy.
Females.
Yeah. All you for them, but me don't know why the man afraid for do. I don't know, you know, man. Why the man afraid to go for the female them? But anyway, my queen, minute you go back for Mark Golden thing, that's another show, you know. Because
another thing.
And Joe got beaten bad. Back to Carter now. So see it now. So now them say Lizard jump the fence. My boy say him jump the fence. So if a man jump the fence in that nice, beautiful area and a ball for murder, wouldn't you believe say the people them would have run out and come defend him? Because up here say, you know, I just click archive, guardsman, LLO security team, Maroon security team, plus my POLIC police, my organized crime force. Them would have come in panic. So we don't see how this makes sense. And then different from that, one of the jury now, you know, she did that with the police at the time. Whatever lunch break, she gone and tell the police about the case, and it was recorded. So here's again now with a jury now, what they with a police officer, where go out and attack and everything in that case. That jury should have dismantled. So
no, but what you know, it has to, I mean, I think, alright, even though, alright, let's say them say that go on with Lizard, yeah?
Yeah.
Remember, you know, and that alone, he might do, which government don't like. Remember that he was going to come out with a book.
Yeah.
And the book would have revealed a lot of things.
Corruption and things.
He is very influential for this generation, my generation, and a little bit of your generation.
All right.
You understand me?
Yes. Because you know my generation and the young generation. And we're smart. And Cartel is smart.
You understand? So the only way now to prevent all of that from happening, have him behind bars. Because even if you have him on house arrest, all of them, you cannot stop him if he's there road.
No.
So the only way, lock him down behind bars, find something. So alright, we're going to use that against him.
Yes.
You understand me? Them send all sort of artists, film go against him, own herself and him, all him ground, see me?
Yes.
You understand? So this now what them a do, after show, it's like them a show, say listen, we have you behind bars and we can show you say we still have you under control.
Alright, let me tell you something now. I want to my Jamaican police them. Me have to recommend them. Them not stand up with bullshit. Them are hustle yesterday, but it's when bullshit go on, them not stand up for it. That are the only thing I can assure my Jamaican police them. And when you say a man get rolling up, and every police are support him, but you don't know say police them can go up front and go say him to come out because them now lose them job or lose them life. Because you know, under the government all police afraid of the Prime Minister. And this is the other Prime Minister, I say police are afraid to talk their mind. So I don't know that the Prime Minister is bad. Even police, you know, our police are fully bad. And police are still afraid to talk their mind against Andrew.
Everybody, everybody, because he's a person who love make statement. You know, I remember, for example, the young girl who just, when COVID just started, you know, the young girl, she said she not go in, Andrew this, Andrew that, and what happened
2 minutes after she did their yard.
Okay.
And then I look a man with that jungle, and then all of them say, nah, go in bed, and then bed them go pull him from, and then beat him to pull till him have to apologize. And then the other youth, what they sent Mary, was say, we're out here, Andrew. You understand? And then, and the only reason why him not come for me, because he knows I'm fully guzo, and him try it enough time. Because I remember, say, Brother Peter, we used to walk over female, and me used to go for the skull them for Brother Peter, you know. So him know, say, and then Babs, you know, Babs and me and Siago used to par. So Babs, you know, say, me no fear 61 other. Because Babs, you know, say, me jump 95 and 87, because I drink water to my nose, whole fire them, and I short Empress Selassie. So Babs, you know, say,
if you're new to the channel, you know, pass through. Remember, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.